Do you want to make a diner burger, but you don't want the oil splattering all over your kitchen? Well, this recipe is the one for you. Check this out. First, preheat your oven. Next, combine your flaxseed meal and hot water. Stir that up until well combined and allow it to set for 5 minutes. Portion out your ground beef into a large bowl. Sprinkle the gelatin over the ground beef. Then, add your flaxseed meal into the bowl. Combine all of these ingredients by hand, being careful not to overmix them, and then form those into patties, giving each of these patties a dimple. Now, place your patties into your preheated oven. Allow them to cook until it hits the desired temperature. Once your patties have hit your desired temperature, take them out of the oven. At this point, you can top it with cheese if you'd like the cheese to be nice and melty. Allow these patties to sit for 5 minutes. Now, take your patties and build your burger with any desired condiments. This burger is big, beefy, and juicy. You can make a diner-style burger right in your oven, right at home. YFB out.